Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Face ID or Touch ID is not working in the Westpac app, first confirm that the biometric login is enabled inside the app settings. Next, head over to your settings and then search for Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Then make sure that you have enabled the Face ID and Touch ID in the app settings as well, and that it is working for other apps. Then log out of the Westpac app and log back in using your password. Then re-enable the biometric login. If it still fails, restart your phone and try again. As a final step, reinstall the app. Long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then go to your app store and reinstall it again and log in from scratch, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.